Breaking news. Hawaii volcano update. Will the floods cause more earthquakes and eruptions from Kilauea? Kilauea's eruptions are finally starting to cool off after continuous lava flows over the last 3 months destroyed hundreds of homes in Big Island. But will the floods left by Hurricane Lane's torrential downpours cause more earthquakes and eruptions from Kilauea? The United States Geological Survey, USGS, posted an update on Kilauea on Thursday, August 30th. Their statement read, "Seismicity remains low and ground deformation is negligible at the summit of Kilauea volcano. On the volcano's lower east rift zone, LERS, no incandescence was visible in the Fissure 8 cone nor was there any lava entering the ocean during an overflight yesterday. The lack of lava suggests the eruptions from the earthquakes may finally be subsiding after its massive eruption on May 3rd. Last week Hawaii was battered by Hurricane Lane, which was downgraded to a tropical storm on Thursday and poured more than 44 inches of rainfall over parts of Big Island. Will the floods cause more earthquakes and eruptions from Kilauea? Bill McGuire, a volcanologist and emeritus professor of geophysical and climate hazards at University College London, does not believe last week's floods will cause more eruptions or earthquakes from Kilauea. Professor McGuire added some tropical storms similar to Lane can bring low atmospheric pressure, which can contribute to a volcanic eruption. He told Express.co.uk, "There is plenty of evidence for small changes in the environment triggering volcanoes and earthquakes, landslides and tsunamis. Some eruptions at Montserrat's Soufriere Hills volcano have been related to torrential rainfall associated with tropical storms. This infiltrates the volcano, comes into contact with the magma, and triggers explosive blasts. Fascinatingly, the coastally located Pavlov volcano in Alaska tends to erupt when low-pressure weather systems raise adjacent sea levels by just 10 to 15 cm. Amazingly, this is enough to bend the crust under the volcano in such a way that magma is squeezed out." Professor McGuire, typhoons have caused big problems for other volcanoes in the past. He said, during the 1991 eruption of Pinatubo, a typhoon arrived at the height of the eruption. The torrential rainfall mixed with the accumulating ashfall to generate destructive mudflows that also dammed rivers, causing them to burst their banks. In 1998, Hurricane Mitch dumped huge quantities of rain on the Casita volcano in Nicaragua, triggering mudflows that wiped out several villages and took more than 2,000 lives. As climate change makes tropical storms wetter, this will become an increasing problem.